How to use the Delta SkyMiles Platinum American Express card. There are many ways to use the Delta SkyMiles Platinum American Express card. The first way is to earn miles on everyday spending. You can earn 3 miles per dollar on purchases made directly with Delta, including flights, seat upgrades, and in-flight purchases. You can earn 2 miles per dollar at restaurants worldwide and at US supermarkets. You can earn 1 mile per dollar on all eligible purchases. These miles can be redeemed for award travel, seat upgrades, and more through your Delta SkyMiles account. You can also maximize your travel perks. Each year upon renewal, you can receive a certificate for round-trip main cabin companion ticket to select destinations. You can also enjoy a free first checked bag on Delta flights for you and up to 8 companions on the same reservation. You can also board earlier with Main Cabin 1 priority boarding on Delta flights. You will also receive a statement credit for the application fee for global entry or TSA pre-check every 4 to 4.5 years. You can also utilize statement credits. For example, you can earn up to $10 in statement credit each month on US rideshare purchases with selected providers, but enrollment is required. You can also enjoy additional protections such as trip delay insurance, baggage insurance plan, car rental loss and damage insurance, purchase protection, and extended warranty. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.